now we have Mr. Anil Sharma, the mobilers, and you please proceed. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Good morning and good afternoon. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity. And let me share my screen and I'll start. I hope you guys can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, great. So the topic I'll be speaking on is the impact of app development on digital transformation. So I'll give you a brief about myself. One second. So my name is Anil Sharma, and I'm the founder and CEO of Mobulus, a leading mobile and web development agency, which is based out in India, and we have around 10 plus years of experience in the digital space. So digital transformation actually is the biggest buzzword today. However, many industrial leaders fail to realize the potential impact of digital enabled, compared to the uh, like digital roadmap, strategy, and the implementation. So a lot of new innovative technologies like IoT, AI, ML, RPA has shifted the eyeballs of the enterprise heads from identifying the significance of mobile application and their growth. So again, the role of mobile application as a key digital enabler cannot be taken lightly, as they provide a massive advantage to any startup or any enterprise across different verticals. Digital transformation is not only about implementing various technologies to improve the experience of the customers and employees. It mainly encourages experiments, learning from failures, adopting new business models, investing into digital technologies, and change the leadership style to serve the customers better. So this presentation basically brings out the importance of having mobile apps in our digital transformation strategy for each business, and how it'll help to accelerate the productivity, growth, and the ROI for the business. Yeah. Uh, so basically, there are different technologies which are enabling enterprises and the startups, to uplift their brand image and their business, which is basically AI, IoT, AR, VR, which I think Naveen talked about, cloud computing, blockchain. There are technologies like biometrics, natural language processing, speech recognition, chatbots are serving customers in more engaging way, and helping the business to build their brand and scale up their brand as well. So again, the apps which are enabled with such technologies are helping businesses on a better data-driven decisions with, of course, AI-based predictive analysis. Again, IoT-based apps also changing human lifestyle, ease of operation. For example, there are many use cases. So warehouses are able to track the movements and manage the supply chains. Uh, and again, majorly is eliminating the manual task, and while management is able to do staff's performance analysis and other many other operations as well, right? Uh, so there are few reasons why any business or any brand needs a mobile app. So basically, it's visible to all the customers, and it's, all time handy. Provide value to the customers. There's again brand building and recognition. There's customer engagement. You have cut at the competition. You always stay close to your customer, and of course, there's an increase in user base. Um, so this is a fact that today's apps basically dominate the total mobile minutes spent online. Like people are on call, SMS, other things, and maximum time they are on when they are on phone. Maximum time they spend on different apps, right? So again, from reading simple emails, social media, news, everything customers are doing through the mobile itself. So, so this provide a wide scope to any business to make use of technology to bring together the element like that, the business on a single platform where we have billions of users, right? So, what I'll do is uh, now the next important section of this transition is the technology stack which is being used everywhere. So basically, we have a combination of there's design, there's front-end development, and there's back-end development. So, sorry, technology stack is a combination of different programming languages and software products that are used to create a mobile platform. So we have user interface design, user experience design, there's a discovery phase, then there is front-end development, which has communication, core logic, the UI is built. Then there's a backend where the data, the server logic, and web services are built. Yeah. So these are the set of different technology stack which is trending right now. One we have LAMP, we have Node.js, we have Nest.js, we have Python, then we have Ruby on Rails. When we talk about the stack for the iOS development, we have Apple Xcode, we have Intelli App Code, and for Android smartphone, we have Eclipse IDE, we have Android Studio. When we talk about the cross-platform mobile apps, then we have two major players here, which one is React Native, other is Flutter. So now, why the app development? So basically, as per the market watch study, the global digital transformation market is expected to grow from 445 billion, which it was in 2017, to 5x, nearly 5x, more than 2,000 billion by 2025. So, because the global market for the digital transformation has been segmented on the basis of components, which includes solution and their. Hmm. So again, the solution segment is further divided into mobility. Then we have big data. Then we have a set of different analytics. We have artificial intelligence. We have IoT, and again, it's further divided into professional or the managed services. So again, there are every industry expert has their own opinion on the same. So basically, they often see uh, mobile application as an independent entity rather than a key enabler in the digital transformation. This actually makes a huge difference because smart leaders include mobile apps in their brand building digital transformation strategy to reinvent the way they work because they when they know how to onboard them and then they know how to serve them and bring them in a single platform, which is a mobile app. So yeah, that is many smart leaders are making these choices, right? So again, this chart shows the detail on the digital transformation growth by solutions and the different you see from 2014 to 2025 so many customers have been moved from using laptops PCs to doing the entire business on their mobile phones like WhatsApp. They launched WhatsApp for Business, which enabled many small businesses to scale up their business right away. From you find a small shop in Himalayas, they have some small e-commerce store. So they can easily in 5 10 minutes create a profile on WhatsApp for Business app and then start serving the customers right away.
Anilji, you need to unmute here.
Yeah. So why basically why mobile is the face of digital transformation? So the advent of smartphones has transformed the business landscape, and has paved way for new opportunities. Uh, with the mobile first approach widely pronounced across the globe, the customers relying heavily on mobile devices include mobile application as a part of the business strategy and is the best opinion to beat the competition and engage majorly with your. Sorry, have a little cough and cold, so I hope it's okay. So The reason why most companies invest in enterprise mobility is to connect the user with the activities from anywhere and anytime. Especially the enterprise mobile applications play a crucial role in improving the efficiency of staff and the company. So, mobile app and the employee engagement. So, as per different studies, the connected workforce performs amazingly and better engaged with the customers. In fact, goes a step ahead in satisfying the customers thoroughly, because you see in many apps, where the app is providing the products or the services. So they have built a genuine review system where the customers can add their review, and then based on that review, their actions performed by the particular organization to make sure that the success rate is more. Hmm. Here, so there are basically different benefits of for a better employee engagement. So we have a connected workforce. Uh, it's easy to reach staff for advice, inspiration, solutions, communications. There are lesser IT headaches. It saves time, improves process efficiency. Then we have improves customer engagement and retention. So again, that is why many CEOs add mobile apps to a digital transformation strategy, and uh, I believe they are right by doing so. So basically, digital transformation benefits. We have improved transparency, we have increased collaboration, we have digitalized operations, we have improved decision making. So they have better reach. We have efficient resource management. We have empowered employees. We have accurate customer insights, uh, better customer experience, faster product development life cycle, and improved globalization. So when now we talk about the solution segment, yeah, the segment service segment majorly includes of managed services and the professional services, while the solution segment include like big data, analytics, AI, IoT, and more. So let's talk about the trends which were there in 2021, 2022. Uh, So digital transformation for many corporates, for many startups, is going strong, and so are the trends and the technology. So we have customer experience, we have analytics, we have big data, then we have IT will become the new business enabler, which I believe it already has become. Then we have IoT, then we have conversational AI and machine learning. Then we have RPA. Then we have multi cloud computing. Everything you know that everything major of all the data is now moving on the cloud. Then we have everything as a service, which is SaaS. Then we have partnerships, acquisitions. We have digital privacy. So there are many different verticals on which the digital transformation has happened. So there are some use cases. For example, we talk about digital transformation in manufacturing. So mobile apps play a very essential role in improving manufacturing productivity. Leveraging the power of mobile apps coupled with the advanced technology like IoT, AI, the industry can help operators, supervisors perform the floor operations like on the go and accelerate the productivity. So application they help operators across access, give them the access to machine data in real time and share it with the supervisor. So we have when we have lot of data points, we can build a machine learning model on top of it, which will of course which will help in better predictions as well. Similarly, supervisors can access the operator data from anywhere and share it with the managers. So this actually, in a sense, improves the visibility across the floor and enhance the productivity. So then we have digital transformation in construction industry as well. So we have asset tracking is very challenging for the construction companies, but using a mobile app, the difficult process of tracking assets can be simplified and also reduce the asset cost at least by 30%, which with this process, which is expedites the project's delivery as well. again, mobile apps are used, with IoT, RFID, barcode, NFC, Bluetooth, BLE, to track and manage assets better within the construction project zone. So we have some more use cases, like we have digital transformation in healthcare. Okay, again, you know that mobile apps have taken the healthcare industry by storm. The conventional consultation, medical claims, medical advice are now completely seamless to the patient because of these medical applications. Patients don't have to visit a hospital so often and can actually connect with the doctor specialist directly from their phone. So they can also do they can also report share the reports, the health reports, health data, to the mobile device itself, and patient record management are handled. And right now, even we are working a lot of projects where we are using the smartwatch. We are collecting all the different parameters like heart rate, in terms of what kind of health data we have. Even the ECG data can come through the mobile. So and the BP monitoring. So we are collecting that in an app, and then that entire records of a patient, for example, for 1 or 2 or 3 months, are shared directly with their doctor. And it, of course, because when they have the data, so there's a lot of data points, machine learning models can be built on it, and then predict that in such a sense that this person can have a heart attack in next 3 months. So that is the leverage of mobile apps and the digitalized. Yeah. So let me move forward. Okay. So now, so basically the apps are built. So basically, they are startups who build a minimum viable product, or build full-fledged applications. There's a process which is followed in the from idea to the app development. So there's a discovery phase, then there's a phase where the concept, the objectives are refined, the ideas are refined, and then we build the front end, then the designs, user experience flow is built, then the user interface design is built, and then the front end coding happens, the back end APIs are built, integration happens, and a product gets developed and launched. Again, explaining this in more detail, like there's a discovery phase where the ideas objectives are clarified, and then detailed technical documents are built, FRS are built. Then there's roadmap stories are built, user stories, user journeys are built, as wireframes are built, and then there's the design team come into place, and they do the entire interface design, UI elements, mocks. Then we have softwares, the entire solution architecture is planned, and the entire roadmap of the development is built. Then the coding and development happens. There's a front end, back end coding is done in parallel. Then there's a QA and testing is done for the versions coming out, and then the versions are pushed on the store, made live product.
Sorry to disturb you, Anilji. We're running a little short of time. Could you please hurry up on the conclusion?
I'll just conclude.
Thanks. Sorry again.
Okay, so I'll just take quick 5 minutes. Okay. So this is a very important section. So Indian Unicorn Club with the technology backup. So basically, 9 months to 2022, there are like 21 new unicorns which are already there. The names everyone knows. So basically, these unicorns have raised more than 94 billion funding to date, and valuation are more than 350 billion. Uh, all of these startups are basically majorly are tech-based and available for customer employees clients on app-enabled platforms. So normally, whenever these unicorns they have built the product, they are majorly focused on general relevance, performance requirements, scalability requirements, and the costs. So basically, these are the technologies which are being used by the unicorns. This Python, this Java, this JavaScript, C++, Ruby, Go, Kotlin, PHP, Objective-C, and Swift. So I'll just conclude now. So basically, overall, the mobile applications play a very critical role in digital transformation. Uh, programs rolled out by the companies across practically at every industry. Customers now expect mobile experience from brands and employees. And employees happily embrace mobile solutions because that makes their lives pretty easy. Investing in a mobile app will help your business accelerate in digital transformation, gain a real competitive advantage. There are 2.7 billion smartphone users worldwide. One of the most convenient and accessible medium to connect with people are mobile apps. A mobile app is the easiest route to reach over a large population and engage with them. So you can always reach out to us in case you want any free product development consultation. So that is all from my end. So any Q&A. Thank you
so much, Anil. Yeah, now we are open for questions. The floor is open for questions. Any questions on this session, please?
I think nobody asking, so I will again just to jump in for one question. I think actually am I Professor Dinesh? Can I ask one question? Yeah.
Please.
Yeah. So actually, it is also important to see that technology app now. Anilji, if you can look at the before pre-COVID and post-COVID, do you think the globally everybody is stressed to develop this application and all sort of thing. But do you see, yesterday we talked about and we are actually using this technology and we're losing talented people because the talented student or people are actually not communicating through their own channel. It goes to via the third party, whatever channel they are using. Do you think there is a dangerous thing in terms of, new application is coming to the market and we need to be using or establish those technology, and how much a higher education or university should care about it? Please.
Right. So, as the market, the trends are changing, and the youth are majorly, I'll say, in a kind of a socialized environment more. So basically, the youth are focusing. At our time, like when we were studying, there were no mobile phone as well. But now, a small kid who's born, he's been given a mobile phone, and then at very younger age, he has the access to a lot of different games, apps to communicate. And at the age of very young, they get access to all the different social media apps and all. So, of course, we as experienced people will have to consider that. And of course, the new apps coming out, it cannot be dangerous. There will be apps, startups building lot of different products, and a lot of them will become unicorns, will become funded, and will be successful because the customers are engaging more. There are more global outreach of the mobile users, and which is going to grow only actually as each year passes. So I believe it's better because then AI, machine learning, a lot of models are also being used as the backend engine for the app. So of course, post-COVID, I think it's good that new apps should come out. Yeah. I hope I have answered your question.
No, thank you. But only one our concern, when, as you said, in young age, honestly, in 10, 6, 7 years, 8 years old kids are actually using this technology. My concern, I think we have one professor is joining few minutes time, and Professor Dr. Satpathy, who is actually neuro, not scientist plus the actually business developer who are actually thinking about the neuro, especially brain and psychology. So I think he may have some question to see that how this technology is actually affected for young age. I mean, think about when you are using 10 hours a computer or technology, then end of the night or end of the day, we are all automatically tired. It's not physically tired, it's mentally we are really exhausted. And you go home and you just want to sleep. So the thing I'm saying, in kids, if they're using 10 hours from school and home and game and everything, how we can protecting for next 10 years or our generation J to protect from there? And do you think something that way, please? And I think I want to welcome the party to say something.
Please.
Greetings from India and namaste and adab to all those that are connected to the Asian subcontinent. Was it Dr. Anil Sharma sir introducing?
No, I'm not doctor. Just Anil Sharma.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I'm primarily from the armed forces. I was in the Indian Army Corps of Education for the last 29 years, and I took a voluntary retirement last year. And as in Bengali, there is a very popular saying of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore that if nobody listens to you, you please start walking yourself all alone. That's what I have been baptized with, because primarily in India, I saw that except for the clinical psychologists and a few other electrical engineers and electronics engineers and all those stuff, none of them were or are still working from the pure management per se. And after coming in contact with Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman, who baptized me into this field, and we named it as neuromanagement, it is a finer form of behavioral economics. Well, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed audience, I primarily wished to dedicate this life of mine, my academic life, to decision making with reference to the eye tracking and to the blood monikers. Now, to this august audience, I would like to say that how marketing choice strategies have some neuro traces. You know, when we go to the market, primarily we decide that we have to go to a market. Then we carry our carry bag. Then we carry a list, and the list is endless. Just to remind ourselves that I have to buy this stuff. Then we carry our money purse of yesterday and the plastic cards of today. Then when we go to the market, we visit a shop. Which shop to visit? That also we decide beforehand. When we visit a shop, our eyes start tracking, tracing, gazing everywhere. Oh, where is that stuff? Where is that stuff? Then you find 100 odd stuff of the same variety. So we are in a dilemma, a problem of plenty. This knowledge was injected into my brain a few years ago from Sheena Iyengar, Professor Sheena Iyengar of Columbia Business School. And she recommended me to read her book, The Art of Choosing. And that is all, ladies and gentlemen, I am before you today. Well, when we as a layman go to the market, or when we as a businessman enter into the market, or when we as an agent in the market rotate around the market, the neuro dimensions, that is the 5 sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, and tongue, this
sorry to interrupt you, Dr. Satpathy. Actually, we are in between one more session. You know, we have one more session, sir. After that, we'll get back to you, sir. There's one more speaker who's actually getting a little late. No, so I hope you don't mind. Just let me.
I'll unshare this. What you call this slide of mine. Fine. So I come back after 20 odd minutes.
Just about 5-10 minutes. Yeah, 12 minutes.
Okay. How much time do I have, sir? Thereafter.
Sir, after that, you'll have about 15 minutes for your session.
Okay, fine. That's fine. Yeah? That's fine. That's fine.
Thank you. Sorry again, sir.
No, not at all, sir. Anything for academics.
So, thank you so much, Mr. Anil Sharma. It was a wonderful session. And, you know, it was really enlightening. Now, I would really like to invite